a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream.
What's up, guys? Dr. X3 here. I've got a special guest to introduce you to. If you don't know him, you ought to be following him. He's a YouTuber like myself. His name is EddieX, and he just picked up his new RS7. And he's driving it home from Philadelphia back to Michigan. And so we're gonna hang out, kind of show the car. He's gonna grab something to eat first. He's been driving all day. This RS7 is Nardo Gray, and it looks just stunning. I'm gonna have him tell you a little bit about why he chose the RS7, and for us to go from there. But oh my God, the thing is gorgeous, and in Nardo Gray, you just can't go wrong. So anyway, let's show you this car in just a minute. Great looking car. Eddie.
Yes.
This is EddieX from YouTube.
Yes, from the YouTube.
You just picked up. Tell us quickly about the car you just picked up, and we're gonna walk over and take a look at it. Look. Wait a minute. Let's see that key. Let's see that key. Oh.
Hey, it's interchangeable with your Lambo.
Well, exactly. So you bought a Lambo, right?
I did buy.
Yeah.
Oh no, you have an Audi.
Oh, this is actually true. I do own an Audi. I will actually, more importantly, I do own a Volkswagen. Really.
Volkswagen. At the end of the day, they're all Volkswagen.
It's all Volkswagen.
Yeah. This is a 2016 RS7 Nardo Gray, fully optioned, carbon diffuser, carbon front, air suspension, upgraded wheels, Bang & Olufsen sound system, driver assist. 4-liter twin-turbo V8, 560 horsepower.
Beast on wheels.
Yeah, it's
and this color, Nardo Gray, is one of my favorite colors. And this is a factory, this is a custom, this is a, ad personam, right?
Yeah,
custom clear bra. One of.
Audi exclusive, yes. This is because the car doesn't have clear bra on it, and I'm driving it all the way from Philadelphia back to Michigan home, and I don't want tons of rock chips. And I taped it up. It'll work.
It works.
Yeah. Some people are like, oh, why are you doing that? Why not get a clear bra? Well, I care
Duh.
about the paint. Like, you clear bra all your cars too. I care about the paint.
Oh yeah? So are you gonna just do the front end, or are you gonna do the whole car?
I'm just doing the front end. Front end are probably
and the high risk areas of
high
windows.
risk areas and then ceramic pro.
Yeah. Makes sense. It is gorgeous, by the way.
It's the perfect one car. Because I'm not like Cody, I can't have 5 Lamborghinis. So this combines my RS4 into one car. It'll be It's fast, it's luxurious, and it's practical.
So we're gonna head up to Mount Washington and go check out. Let me just take a look, a couple of pictures, a quick view inside.
I've got a whole set of tires.
Oh, wait a minute. So did that come?
Yeah, when I bought. So it's still one of the winners. I didn't have a chance to.
Oh, I got you.
But those are brand new Summers that I got with it. 21s from the factory. Not cheap. Not cheap.
So let's take a quick peek here.
Sport seats with the white stitching and the hexagonal shape. Carbon fiber, the little B&O speakers pop up. So yeah, I'm very happy the way it's optioned.
Lots of carbon fiber. Look at that.
All the carbon fiber.
Nice. All right. Well, let's go to Mount Wash. All right. Sounds good.
That I can speak to. I found a
Oh.
that I can speak.
We're gonna head out. Welcome to Lambo Life. This is so ridiculously hard to see. It's I don't even know what to say.
Because I'm sure you the supervisors are like 2 inches tall.
Barely can see squat. It's so funny. It's like, what are the Italians thinking?
Practicality is not in their vocabulary.
Yeah, exactly. So true. So I'm with Eddie. See its face tracking back there?
Yes.
So I'm with Eddie. So I'm going to show him Pittsburgh for the first time.
First time ever being
as
out.
the sun goes down too. So we're going to be at the Overlook here, which is just an awesome view of the city. Let me show you what that looks like.
People are doing time lapses.
Oh yeah. Fortunately, there are no clouds in the sky. It would be nice. I know you! Oh, it's just a Barney mobile. Good. Yeah, Eddie's a buddy of ours that just picked up his RS7, so he's just stopping in. Oh.
This is my boat.
And you saw this car at Cars and Coffee last weekend. Just beautiful. Oh.
The ultra high-end
Paint protection system.
yeah. Yeah, it does. There we go. Should be okay. It's coming up in a little area.
How about that, you know, that other fin
Yeah.
right there?
Yeah, RS7. 2016 RS. Ah, dude, I love it, dude. Nardo Gray. It looks so good. My car's like a lighter version of Nardo Gray. What kind of car? It's a Velocity. Oh, okay. Yeah, they have some really good paints on that car.
Yeah, it's the it's called Battleship Gray.
Okay.
It's like a real it almost looks matte.
All right, guys. So EddieX, go check him out on YouTube.
Yep, thank
Follow
you.
him and go check out his new car. I'm sure
RS7.
we're gonna see lots and lots of videos on this, reviews, and yeah, congratulations on
Thank you
the
very
new
much.
purchase. It's
Thanks
awesome.
for the tour, the hospitality.
You are welcome,
I will
boss.
see you latest Car Week this year.
Car
Monterey.
Week. Here we go. man.
Monterey.
All right,
Later.
take care, guys.
See you guys.
We'll see you in the next video. Peace out. These guys are just awesome, and there is EddieX flying down. See you, buddy.
Lamborghini's attract attention for sure.